And schools are also beginning to see a rise in COVID cases. Since June, there have been more than 1,400 cases within the Department of Education, which includes employees and students. Now some schools are getting ready to go back to full distance learning if this trend continues. Max Rodriguez has more that's new tonight at 10.
This week's COVID cases reported by the Department of Education more than doubled from what was reported last week. The chair of the Senate Committee on Education says the school year should have started with more distance learning options in place. The Department of Education detected 325 COVID cases within its schools statewide between August 7th to the 13th. Cases at schools were expected, but Senate Committee on Education Chair Senator Michelle Kidani says this week's report is unsettling.
It's concerning, and of course now they're back in school, so we did expect the numbers to go up. It just, my expectation was that it was not going to rise by this amount.
Kidani says she's hearing from more parents worried about sending their children to campus and are requesting for at-home learning options. With the Delta variant circulating at a rapid rate, an emergency physician recommends staying home as much as possible.
If you have the ability to keep your kids at home or do distance learning, not everybody does. I think it is a very wise decision. Also, if you have the ability to work from home, I think that is also a very wise decision.
At least one school, Neo Valley Middle School, has informed parents of its preparations to switch to full distance learning if necessary. The State Department of Education has a distance learning program, but needs to hire more teachers to meet the demand, with hundreds of families still on the wait list. Senator Kidani says this should have been done before the start of the school year.
We're a little bit behind where we should be as far as providing distance learning. I do acknowledge that.
Kidani says working with the DOE to provide more distance learning options for parents and keeping cases down in educational settings are her priorities. In its weekly report, the DOE listed the number of known cases per school, the date they tested positive, and the last time they were on campus. Kidani says it would be helpful to get that information more often.
While they provide stats every Friday, with the rise in cases, I think it would be helpful if we could try and get it more often, every other day, if daily.
The HSTA says it wants the Department of Education to come up with clear thresholds that would trigger hybrid or distance learning like those in place last school year. KHON2 has reached out to the DOE. We are waiting to hear back. Max Rodriguez, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.